welcome to the Misha Wellness Center. Today we'll be talking about hormone therapy.
This has been such a big topic, and I'm excited to sit with Katie and talk about what we're offering here at the Wellness Center, which is hormone therapy replacement. Katie, have you experienced any changes, and maybe take us through what to expect at a visit?
Yeah, so I actually have. I've been on hormone therapy for a while now. I was noticing night sweats, hot flashes, not sleeping well. So went and had my hormones checked, which when you come in for a consultation at the Wellness Center, we sit down for a good hour with you, go over your medical history, your background as far as what medications and possible hormones you're already on, and then review what the process is, which involves a testing kit, which is saliva and blood that we send to a lab. And then once we get the results back, we bring you back in to go over the results and then talk about replacing the hormones that you're deficient in.
It's actually pretty cool because some of the symptoms that Katie mentioned are similar to mine, but additional symptoms could be brain fog, it could be irritability, she might have mentioned moodiness, and then there are a lot of changes that happen naturally with the vagina that a lot of people don't want to talk about, but it's something that's serious, and it could be something as far as painful intercourse or just dryness down there. So with the testing, once you get the results, then tell me what we do then offer the client.
Yep, so we right now are working with a laboratory that gives us a detailed printout of your lab results. And once we narrow down what you're deficient in, we then talk about a compounded cream. So we can compound estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, DHEA, and you could do one application every night. And we titrate it to your symptoms. So it's really nice and easy, actually.
It is, and then on top of having options for topicals, there is some oral if somebody prefers something more, in a pill formation. And we are working on bringing on hopefully spring pellets. So we have a lot going on in this department.
It's very exciting.
Is it just for women?
No, that's a great question. It is definitely not just for women. Both women and men will benefit by hormone replacement. And again, it's very individual treatment, so it helps for many different things for men as well.
Is it a big or large upfront cost?
So the upfront cost initial visit is $600, and that does include the kit. And then the follow-up visit is $400. And then after we get you on hormone therapy, if you need it, we'll see you back about every 3 months. And that cost is $350 per visit. But I do want to touch again on the vaginal wellness, that we do offer a laser that can help with dryness and give support to the bladder if you're experiencing any incontinence. And then also PRP, the O shot.
Yeah, the O shot is also great, and also P shot for men. So we do have a lot of options for sexual wellness as well.
Yeah.
If somebody wanted to get started, what would they do?
That's simple. All they have to do is
Say it like I didn't ask the question.
If somebody wanted to get started, it's very simple. A text or a call to our office. Our main location is Coopersburg for this, and all the information is right there.
That was so